Hi Sam. I'm glad you're here today. We have an interesting word to learn.
Ermäßigung.
Hi Alex. That sounds intriguing. What does it mean?
Ermäßigung.
Means a discount or reduction in price. It's commonly used when talking about tickets or prices. Just remember, a false friend here is
Remission.
which might sound similar but means something quite different in English.
So, is
Ermäßigung.
a noun.
Yes, it is. It's a feminine noun, so we say
Die Ermäßigung.
the plural form is
Die Ermäßigungen.
Got it. How do we use it in sentences?
You can say,
Ich bekomme eine Ermäßigung.
which means I get a discount. In the past tense, you could say,
Ich bekam eine Ermäßigung.
for I received a discount, and in perfect, you would say,
Ich habe eine Ermäßigung bekommen.
Oh, I see. And how would I tell someone to get a discount?
you can use the imperative form.
Hol dir eine Ermäßigung.
Which translates to get yourself a discount.
That's useful. Where does the word come from?
The word has roots in the Old High German,
Ermäßigen.
which means to reduce. It's fascinating how it has evolved over time, isn't it?
Definitely. I love learning about word origins.
Now, let's break down.
Ermäßigung.
The prefix often indicates a change or completion, the root
Mäßigung.
comes from,
Mäßig.
which means moderate or reasonable, and the suffix
ung.
indicates a process or result. So together, it suggests the process of making something more moderate.
That makes sense. Is there a memorable way to think about it?
You can visualize a ticket price being slashed in half, which represents the reduction and the idea of a discount.
Can you give me some similar words?
Sure. Here are a few examples.
Ermäßigen.
Means to reduce, verb form.
Ermahnung.
Means reminder, from the same prefix.
Ernährung.
Means nutrition, related to feeding.
Erklärung.
Means explanation.
Verständigung.
Means understanding, with the prefix.
Wehr. Minderung.
Means decrease, without the prefix.
Bezahlung.
Means payment.
Leistung.
means performance.
That's quite a list.
Now, let's practice using.
Ermäßigung.
In real-life situations. Imagine you're at a museum. You might say,
Haben Sie eine Ermäßigung für Studenten?
which means, do you have a discount for students?
Haben Sie eine Ermäßigung für Studenten?
Perfect. Now, think of a situation at the cinema. You could say,
Ich möchte ein Ticket mit Ermäßigung kaufen.
which means I would like to buy a ticket with a discount.
Ich möchte ein Ticket mit Ermäßigung kaufen.
Great job. Lastly, when traveling, you can ask,
Gibt es Ermäßigungen für Senioren?
which means, are there discounts for seniors?
Gibt es Ermäßigungen für Senioren?
Nicely done. Now, let's think about the gender of.
Ermäßigung.
The ending
Ung.
often indicates a feminine noun. You could also remember that since it refers to a process, it's also feminine in nature.
That's helpful.
In terms of usage,
Ermäßigung.
is generally formal. You might hear it in contexts like ticket sales or official announcements. Some typical collocations are
Studentenermäßigung.
for student discount,
Gruppenermäßigung.
for group discount, and
Frühbuchermäßigung.
for early bird discount.
Interesting. Are there any words that are commonly confused with it?
Yes, you might confuse it with,
Ermahnung.
which means warning or reminder.
I see. Can you give me a few example sentences with it?
Absolutely. For instance,
Die Ermäßigung für das Konzert war sehr hilfreich.
translates to the discount for the concert was very helpful. Another example is,
Ich habe die Ermäßigung auf der Website gefunden.
meaning I found the discount on the website.
Those are great.
Here's another.
Wir hatten eine Ermäßigung für die Gruppenreise.
Meaning we had a discount for the group trip.
Wow, those are useful.
Let's do a quick recall check. What gender is?
Ermäßigung.
It's feminine.
Correct. What does it mean?
It means discount.
Good. What's the plural form?
Die Ermäßigungen.
Right. How do you say, get yourself a discount in German?
Hol dir eine Ermäßigung.
Excellent. And what's the origin of the word?
From Old High German.
Ermäßigen.
Perfect. You've done really well today. To wrap up, remember that
Ermäßigung.
means discount, it's feminine, and it relates to reducing prices. Keep practicing those sentences, and you'll feel more confident using this word.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed learning about
Ermäßigung.
today.
I'm glad to hear that, Sam. See you next time.